Hey everybody, Tate Yoda here with Star Rap. Just headed up to the mountains to get a little, peace and quiet, away from the city, away from work. Just kind of calm my mind down. I'm gonna do a little hiking, and I wanted to share what I'm doing on the way up. I have a little tension in my shoulder and neck that I woke up to, and so I'm taking the specific activator. I'm sliding it right in between that area, in between my shoulder blades and spine, and then I'm gonna shift up and down with finding one spot, target it, and then shift the tissue as I'm leaning into with the appropriate amount of force in the direction that the tissue likes to go. So it has a preference, so it feels like it, whichever direction that feels like it is doing the most good, having the most effect, feeling great. You're gonna shift in that direction, and then you're gonna hold that force down, and as I drive, I'm just gonna hold that tissue pinned in that direction. And what happens is the body begins to unwind and let go, because it's kind of getting a stimulus that it responds to release. So I'm gonna check back in when I get to the top. I just wanted to give you some ideas on what you can do while you're driving to get rid of tension in the body. Okay, talk to you soon.